very interesting that you're playing in that space right now.
Yeah, no, 100%. And I think the important thing that we need to remember is the machine isn't just running out there all on its own.
Right.
You have a black box that nobody knows what's inside. As you said earlier on, even the Google engineers don't actually know how the machine is making its decisions. But you do have mathematical formulas and data being fed in one side, the black box of the machine figuring out how it's going to arrive at the goal we gave it. And then human beings take the results that that machine has given and they say, this is good, this is bad. And they feed that data back into the machine to say, basically corrective data. They're feeding back in, you did this one right and this one wrong. Now try to aim more for the right one. So we are guiding the machine, but we just don't know how the machine works in the core of it, how it makes those decisions. So I think it's important to remember that the machine isn't just running wild. It has data coming in where humans can influence it, and it has data coming out where humans can judge its results and then ask it to correct itself.
I tell you, someone 36,000 years from now is going to be watching this. Shout out to you, by the way. I know we sound very weird. Our language was very different back then. Like we're doing our best. You know, that's my message to you, person in the future. We really are, because at this point, it's so difficult to know.